Did you know that a pomegranate is not a single fruit, but rather a collection of hundreds of tiny jewels, each containing a sweet tart drop of nectar? These edible jewels, called arils, are packed tightly together inside a tough, leathery rind, creating the iconic pomegranate fruit. For centuries, this fruit has captivated cultures around the world, its beauty and symbolism woven into art, mythology, and religion. Beyond their captivating appearance, pomegranates are nutritional powerhouses. Each juicy aril is bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to benefit our health in numerous ways, from boosting our immune system to protecting our cells from damage. In fact, pomegranates are thought to be one of the healthiest fruits on earth. Their consumption linked to a reduced risk of various diseases. The beauty of a pomegranate is undeniable. Its leathery skin, typically a deep red or vibrant pink, hints at the treasure trove of juicy arrows within. The shape of the fruit, often compared to a crown, adds to its regal allure. And when the pomegranate is sliced open, the tightly packed, glistening arils are revealed. Their deep red hue, a feast for the eyes. Like many flowering plants, pomegranates rely on pollinators for reproduction. To attract these helpful creatures, the pomegranate tree puts on a stunning display of bright red, orange, or white flowers. These flowers produce a sweet nectar that entices bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, ensuring the continuation of the pomegranate species. This delicate dance between plant and pollinator highlights the interconnectedness of nature and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity.